Let's go to page 574 and start with number 1. Okay, it says express in radian, leave your answer in terms of pi. Okay, so you got 30 degrees. When you're going to convert into radian, you need to multiply with the radian on top, so it'll be pi over 180 degrees. Okay, so this is your conversion factor. Okay, because 1 pi is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so now you can go and cancel. And so the answer would be equal to pi over 6. Okay. Okay, number 3, 45 degrees. So again, multiply by pi over 180 degrees. And this should cancel out. So equal to pi over 4. Okay, number 5, negative 150 degrees. So you can multiply by pi over 180 degrees. Divide by 30, you get negative 5. Divide by 30, you get 6. So you get negative 5 pi over 6. Okay, number 7, 180 degrees. Then you times it by pi over 180 degrees. So this cancel out. So equal to pi. Okay, number 9, negative 300 degrees. Okay, so multiply by pi over 180 degrees. You can divide by 60, so you get negative 5. Divide by 60, you get 3. So this is equal to negative 5 pi over 3. Okay, number 11. Uh, 720 degrees. Again, times it by pi over 180 degrees. So divide by 180, you get 1, you get 4. So this is equal to 4 pi. Okay. Next. Okay, let's go to next one. Okay, number 13. So this is backward now. Okay, so you have to convert to degrees. So if you're going to convert to degrees, then you need to put a degrees on top. So whatever, so again, look over here. So that's your conversion factor, right? So if you're going to convert to degrees, you put degree on top. If you're going to convert to radian, you put radian on top. Okay. And another way to tell is that so that this way, notice the pi and the pi will cancel out. Okay, and this cancel out. So answer equal to 60 degrees. Okay, number 15, pi over 2, again times by 180 degrees over pi. So this cancel out, this cancel. So answer equal to 90 degrees. And remember to write the degree, okay? Okay, 17, 2 pi over 3. Okay, so you can times by 180 over pi. So the pi cancel out. And 3 cancel with this will give you 60. So 2 times 60 give you 120 degrees. Okay, 19. Okay, negative 5 pi over 6. I can times it by 180 degrees over pi. So pi cancel out. And this will divide by 6. And so this will give you a negative 150 degrees. 21, negative pi, okay, times by 180 degrees over pi. So this cancel, so equal to negative 180 degrees. Okay, 23, 13 pi over 6. Again, multiply by 180 degrees over pi. So the pi cancel out, and this cancel with that give you 30. So you're going to get 390 degrees. Okay. Okay, next one, number 25. Okay, so you have to convert into radian. So this one doesn't come out nicely, so you have to use your calculator, but it's the same process. Okay, so 20 degrees, you want to convert into radian. So times it by pi over 180 degrees. So you divide by 20, you get 1, you get 9. Okay, so this one they want you to work it out. Okay, previously they want you to leave it in terms of pi, but now to work it out, you just go and get your calculator and just go and divide. So on the calculator, there's a button for pi. So you're just pushing pi divided by 9 equal and hundredths of a radian. Okay, so near hundredth. So it'll be equal to 0.35. Right, this is a tenth, this is a hundredth. Okay, 27, 100 degrees. Now, one way to do it is, you notice this is 9 times that, right? Oh wait, 100 degrees. This is 5 times that. So if you still have your answer, you can just times this by 5. Okay. If you don't have, then you just go and start it all over. We got pi over 180 degrees. So you actually don't even have to cancel. You just go and get your calculator. You can actually do this. You just go 100 times pi divided by 180. So you don't even have to do manual cancellation. And so this will give you 1.75. Okay, 29. Yeah, because this is a calculator problem, so you just use calculator instead of doing the cancellation. Okay, 29, 63 degrees. Okay, so you can times it by pi over 180 degrees. So get your calculator. Again, don't waste your time to try to cancel and simplify. Just use your calculator. So 63 times pi divided by 180 equal. So it'd be 1.10. Okay. Okay, 31. Negative 186 degrees. So you can times it by pi over 180 degrees. So 186 times pi divided by 180 equal, and don't forget your negative, right? So negative 3.25. Okay. And the next one is a reverse. Okay, so number 33. You have the 2 radian, and this notice there's no symbol over here. That means it's a radian, and you're going to convert to degrees, and nearest tenth of the degree. Okay, so to convert into degree, you just multiply by 180 degrees over pi. Okay, and again, use your calculator to work it out. So you're going to do 2 times 180 divided by pi equal. So this gives you 114.6 degrees. Okay. Number 35, 0.6 radian. Again, to convert to degrees, you put 180 degrees over pi. Okay, so 0.6 times 180 divided by pi equal, so it'll be 34.4 degrees. Okay, number 37. Okay, negative 2.5 radian times 180 degrees over pi. Okay, so 2.5 negative times by 180 divided by pi equal. So this will equal to negative 143.2 degrees. Okay, and number 39. Got 10 radian, so times by 180 degrees over pi. So 10 times 180 divided by pi equal, and so this will equal to 572, 73.0. So you can be careful when you're running off, okay? Especially with this kind of problem. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 41. Okay, so this one you're looking for the area of a sector. Okay, so now when you have a circle, so just gonna review a little bit. Okay. I'm going to use K for area because A usually used for the angle, so I'm use K and S and R. Okay. Okay, so normally the area, okay, area will equal to, you just go and, the area of a whole circle is pi r squared, so it's better to just go and do the whole circle and you times it by the fraction that you want. Okay, so it depends on if it's radian or degree. So if it's degree, it would be theta over 360 degrees. Okay, so again, this is a fraction of the whole, out of the whole circle that you want. Okay, or pi r squared times theta over 2 pi. Okay, if this is for degree, and this is for radian. Okay, again, 360 equal to 2 pi, right? So just kind of quick review on that. Okay, so let's go and see what we have. Okay, so you have, so number 41, you have r equal to 2, s equal to 8, theta equal to question mark, and a equal to question mark. Okay, or k. Okay, let's use k. Okay. Okay, now from here, you can figure out the angle, okay, because the arc length, okay, this is the area. Now, arc length equal to 2 pi r times the fraction, right? Again, theta over 360 degrees. Or, again, the formula is easy to remember. Just use common sense, right? First, you figure out the whole circle, right? And you times by the fraction that you want, okay? Okay, now this one, they want you to, okay, so this one they want you to use radian. Okay, so let's use radian. So first we're going to use this formula over here. So write down your formula. So S equal to 2 pi r times it by theta over 2 pi. Okay, and then substitute anything you know. So 8 equal to 2 pi times 2 times theta over 2 pi. Okay. And so the 2 cancel out, pi cancel out. So 8 equal to 2 theta divided by 2 divided by 2. So theta equal to 4 radian. Okay, so theta equal to 4 radian. Now we can find the area, right? So k equal to pi r squared times by theta over 2 pi. Right? Again, pi r squared is a whole circle times by the fraction that you want, right? You can always write down your formula, then you substitute. You will cut down a lot of mistakes. Okay, so pi r is 2, so I'm going to write out twice, easier to cancel things out. Theta, I just found over here, is 4 over 2 pi. Okay, so 2 pi cancel with 2 pi, so area equal to 8. Okay, next one. Okay, number 43. And you have r equal to 2, theta equal to 1.5. You're looking for s, you're looking for a. Okay, so again, there are two, so make sure you know these two formulas, right? S equal to that. Since we're using the, since we deal with radians, we have to use these two formulas, right? Okay, so again, write down the formula. So S equal to 2 pi r times theta over 2 pi. Right? Again, 2 pi r is a whole circle times by the fraction that you want, right? Then you substitute whatever you have, so you got 2 pi r is equal to 2 times by theta is 1.5 over 2 pi. So again, 2 pi and 2 pi cancel out, so S equal to 3. Okay, and to find the area, I'm going to use K. So K equal to pi r squared times by theta over 2 pi. So substitute, so K equal to pi r, I'm writing it out, so easier to cancel. theta is 1.5 and over 2 pi. Okay, so again 2 pi cancel with 2 pi, so k equal to 3. Okay. Yeah, let's go to number 45. So you got r equal to 3, a or k equal to 9, s equal to question mark, and theta equal to question mark. Okay. So first let's go and figure out the theta. So let's use the, since the k is given, let's go and use the k. K equal to pi r squared times theta over 2 pi. So substitute, so you got 9 equal to pi times 3 times 3 times theta over 2 pi. Okay. First, let's cancel out the pi, and I'm going to divide both sides by 9. So divide by 9, I get 1. Divide by 9, I get 1, right? So now I got 1 equal to theta over 2. So cross multiply, so I got theta equal to 2 radian. Okay. And to find s, okay, so s equal to 2 pi r times theta over 2 pi. Okay. So substitute, so you got 2 pi, r equal to 3, and theta is 2 over 2 pi. So now you can see the advantage of using radian, because sometimes, a lot of times, the number come out very easy with a pi. Okay, okay, so again, 2 pi cancel with 2 pi, so the arc length will equal to 6. Okay. Okay, number 47, you have s equal to 6, theta equal to 1.5, r equal to question mark, k equal to question mark. Okay, so again, s is given, so let's go and use the s formula. So s equal to 2 pi r times the fraction of the circle. So substitute, so you got 2 pi, this is 6, so equal to 2 pi times r times 1.5 over 2 pi. Okay, so 2 pi cancel with 2 pi, so you got 6 equal to 1.5 r, divided by 1.5, divided by 1.5, so r equal to 4. Okay, to find k, so k equal to pi r squared times by the theta over 2 pi. So substitute everything, and r equal to 4. So again, so this is r squared. Write out twice, so easier to cancel. Theta is 1.5 over 2 pi. Okay, so you can just work it out. So pi cancel with pi, 2 cancel with the 4. Okay, and if you multiply, 2 times 1.5 give you 3, 3 times 4 give you 12. Okay, number 49. You have r equal to 4, k equal to 6, s equal to question mark, theta equal to question mark. Okay, so since k is given, or again, k is the area, because I like to save the a, capital A for angle A, so it's not as confusing. Okay, so area k equal to pi r squared, the entire circle, times by the fraction of the circle that you want. Okay, so again, write down your formula, and then you substitute. So 6 equal to pi r squared times by theta over 2 pi. Okay, so again, pi cancel with pi, and then 2 cancel with the 4, so I get 2. Okay, so 6 equal to 8 theta. Okay, divide by 8, divide by 8, so theta equal to 3 over 4, or 0.75. Okay, now once we find theta, we can find s. So s equal to 2 pi r times theta over 2 pi. So substitute, so s equal to 2 pi, r is equal to 4, theta we just find is 0.75 over 2 pi. Okay, so 2 pi cancel with this, and so s, if you work it out, you get 3.